Zhenqiu Micron Audio-Visual Technology Company Limited was founded in 2017. The company is located in Zhenqiu City, Hebei Province, close to the capital Beijing. After years of grinding, we formed a set of production research and development as one of the professional enterprises. We focus on the R&D and production of supporting products around audiovisual equipment. We have advanced equipment in the same industry, strict selection of materials, production specifications. In order to improve the overall operation of the factory, the company has formed a sound quality management system. Our products include fixed TV mount, tilt TV mount, swivel TV mount, TV mobile cart, and many other TV support products. Our products, with its excellent quality and reasonable price, sell well in domestic and also exported to Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, South America. We actively participate in domestic and foreign exhibitions, including Canton Fair, Dubai Exhibition, and have established good cooperative relations with foreign customers. We provide not only high-quality products, but also high-quality services. Last year, our turnover exceeded $3 million, and the number of our customers reached 500. All these show that our customers recognize our products and service capabilities. We uphold the principle of equality and mutual benefit, and we believe that with the efforts of all staff, we will be able to create a better tomorrow with our customers, at home and abroad.